I'm Evan Lyle, sales engineer with Cavallo. In this video, I'll show you how WennSoft and GP users can gain visibility and accessibility of job and service call data using the WennSoft connector within SalesPad. So whether you're the project manager, the administrator, or just knee-deep in a project, you'll know where every document related to that project falls, both in terms of timeline and profitability. SalesPad will allow you to take all of the information related to a job or service call and track that information without leaving the software. Take advantage of SalesPad's great order management capabilities with workflow while having all the visibility into your WennSoft information. Within SalesPad, we have visibility into WennSoft information in a variety of different screens. Starting off on the Sales Monitor, users have visibility into their job numbers and service call IDs and where each document related to those fall within their workflow. If a user needs to filter down and find a specific job or service call ID, they can use the auto filter row to find the associated documents to that number. If I want to find every document related to my job number 1023, I can simply filter down to 1023 and see where each document is falling within our workflow so that we can keep our timelines up to date. Moving on to a sales document, users have the ability to define WennSoft information at both the header level as well as the sales line level. So if a user needs to assign a job cost or a service management to a document, they can do so here at the header level. And I can assign a job cost. Let's say this will be assigned to that 1023. And we can also assign a default cost code if there are multiple lines on our sales document. And we don't want to make that line definition for each individual line. Just roll down that default cost code to all of our lines on the sales document. I can simply hit apply to all, yes, and that'll roll down to our line level from that point. If we do need to make a differentiation from the default cost code at the line level, I can then make that definition here, simply change that cost code for the specific line item. When it comes to service management, that information will live simply at the header level. So we can define our service call ID for a document here at the header level. Moving on to the WennSoft signature tab here along the top, we also have visibility into purchase line items related to our WennSoft documents. So if I remove that WennSoft number filter, I can view all the different outstanding purchase lines for our job and service call IDs so that we have visibility into where those purchase orders related to our jobs and service calls are. On top of that, we also have the ability to view receipt lines as well. So once those documents have been posted, we can view the different receipts for those job and service call IDs. We also provide a WennSoft sales search that will allow us to search for all outstanding documents assigned to a WennSoft job or service call ID. So within Sales Monitor, we have that visibility into the WennSoft type and number. And within the sales search, that'll allow us to view all outstanding documents, not just a specific document ID. So if a user has a question about a posted invoice related to their job number, you can find that information here within the WennSoft sales search. On top of that, we now have the ability within inventory transactions to assign job cost and service management information to our inventory adjustments. So if I need to assign a job cost, I can simply find the associated job number, and very similarly to a sales document, I can roll that information down to my line level or simply manually assign that information to the individual line. Finally, on a customer contact card, we also have visibility into the WennSoft customer address fields information that might be stored within our WennSoft software. So users can view and assign information for these different WennSoft fields directly on a customer contact within SalesPad. If you have any questions about the WennSoft integration or are interested in learning more, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.